In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly add a video to your presentation. Incorporating video can elevate your presentation, making it more engaging and informative, and I'll guide you through every step. Let's get started. First, open your presentation and navigate to the specific slide where you'd like the video to appear. This step is crucial, as having the slide ready ensures that your video lands precisely where you want it. Now, look at the menu bar at the top of your screen. You'll find the Insert option there. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu, choose Video. This action will bring up the Insert Video dialog box, which offers several ways to add your video. The first option you're presented with is the YouTube search feature. If your video is on YouTube, you can use the Search tab. Simply type in relevant keywords or the exact title of your video. Once you've located the video you want, select it. This method is straightforward if you know your video is available on YouTube and can be easily discovered with simple search terms. Alternatively, if you have a specific YouTube video link, you can use the By URL option. Here, you need to paste the full YouTube URL into the provided field. Make sure the link is correct to avoid any errors. After pasting the URL, click Select, and your video will be inserted into the presentation. There's also an option for those who prefer using Google Drive. If your video is saved in your Google Drive rather than on YouTube, you can choose it from your drive, ensuring you have access to personal or company videos that aren't publicly available on YouTube. Once your video is in place on your slide, you can easily adjust its position. Click on the video to select it, and then, using your mouse or touchpad, drag the video to your desired location on the slide. If you need to resize it, simply click and drag the corner handles of the video. This allows you to fit the video perfectly within your slide's layout. Further customization is possible by adjusting playback settings to suit your presentation style. With the video selected, click on Format Options or locate the settings in the sidebar. Here, you can tailor your video playback to start and end at specific points, autoplay when you begin the presentation, or mute the audio. These details help fine-tune your presentation's flow and can enhance the viewing experience for your audience. And there you have it, a complete guide to embedding a video into your presentation. By following these steps, you can ensure that your viewers are engaged and that your message is effectively communicated. Thanks for tuning in, and happy presenting.